Hi everyone, Joe for JaspysCaseBreaks.com coming at you with a Mosaic Football Blaster Box. That's going to unlock Donruss Pick Your Team 5, which is 6 boxes from a fresh case that's coming up in the next video. Giving away 10 spots. So we got a lot going on here. 3 different dice rolls. First, let's thank everyone here for getting in on it. So we only sold 22 spots outright. Top 10, almost half of you are going to get extra spots. Oh, that's 1. I should roll the dice first. 1 and a 5, 6 times. So I already did 1. Here's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After 6 times, Matt, Nick, Matt, Joe, Dan, Matt, Joe, and Jalen. Extra spots going your way. So that could come in handy when it comes to the team part, our third dice roll. All right, now let's gather everybody's names here and do our second of 3 dice rolls. That's just for the break itself. 6 and a 6, 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12th and final time. 6 and a 6, 12 times for the teams. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12th and final time. There could be some surprises in this blaster box. We'll find out in a second. No trade windows, but here's the first half of the list right there. And there's the second half right over here. All right, let's print and rip. Oh no, forgot to change my camera settings. You're gonna see me do this live. Let's try to get the horizon right here. It's a little bit better. All right. Now that's way too washed out, so let's set the exposure at -6. I want to set my focus at around there. It's a little too warm. Let's cool off the white balance right here. Let's see how this looks right here. Looks pretty good. Grab my knife. Here's the final printout. There you go. Definitely need to shake up that toner a little bit. Get it done at some point. So now let's do the break. Oh, I remember this crash. I'm on National Geographic, and like it's doing they're counting down top 10 motorsports disasters here. Number 10 is the Zhou Guan Yu crash in London back a couple years ago. That's just a different subset of rookie cards, the XRCs. So like the year before a draft, they'll put in like redemptions that'll say like QB1 or QB2. So like in the following year's draft, the first quarterback taken, that you would redeem that card for the first quarterback taken. All right, nothing too crazy in this Mosaic box. Let's flip back over here. And let's gather your names for the third and final dice roll. But those tend to be kind of shorter printed cards, so it's a cool thing. All right, so top 8 will get teams after 9. So fingers crossed. Good luck, everybody. 4 and a 5, 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 9 through 32, sad times, I'm afraid, but we'll get them next time. Top 8, happy times for you because you're in the Donruss break. Matt is in. Matt Eaton is in. So is Joe, Matt M, Nick, Matt M, and Joe up top. So here's how it shakes out for your teams. Joe, you got New England. Matt M with the New York Football Giants. Nick with the Chargers. Matt with the Niners. Joe with Arizona and Houston. Matt E with New Orleans. Matt M with the Jets. We'll put Blaster 10 next to your name so you know that's where you want it. We'll see you in the next video for the break. JaspysCaseBreaks.com.